Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, whatever time you're watching. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video will be a little bit different, and I've been wanting to do this for a very long time already. And today I will be doing a thrift flip. Finally, feeling ko ako na lang yung hindi nakakagawa nito, and like everyone is doing their own thing when it comes to clothing, kasi alam naman natin na there are some clothes na sobrang mahal talaga. So I decided to make my own, and I can't wait kasi yung mga nauusong mga Verge Girl inspired or mga Brandy Melville designs and mga coordinates na meron ako ditong guest, okay? Halika dito, kasama kasi ako ngayon. Ayan si Izel. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko kasi naliligo, kaya ayan yung itsura niya. So, ayun. But before that, syempre prepared ang ate mo, girl, sa paggawa ng mga thrift flip na to. Pero hindi ko talaga sure kung paano ko siya magagawa. Like, it really hurts. Kinain na ako ni Mimia. It really hurts. Ano ba? Kasi hindi ako magaling sa mga measurements. Like, feeling ko hindi pantay-pantay yung gagawin ko. Pero, let's see. We'll see about that. So without further ado, let's start this video. I got a bunch of things for thrift flip, and first is this sewing machine. Alam naman natin na sikat na yung mga ganitong sewing machine, and finally I got one. So meron akong onting story lang about this one. Before I got this, bumili muna ako ng maliit na version niya. Wait lang. Buksan natin para makita, no? Ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Meron akong binili na mas smaller version neto. I think nasa 300 pesos sa Shopee yun. And excited na excited ako nung nakuha ko siya. Mag-insert ako ng pic kasi dinispose ko na, so wala na siya sa akin dito. Kasi apaka-useless nun, sis. So, bumili nga ako nun, and hindi ko alam kung coincidence lang na sa akin napunta yung hindi gumagana. Umaasa pa naman ako sa mga good reviews kasi dun sa ratings ng shop nila, sayang yung pera ko, sis. Pero for its price kasi na 300, hindi ko naman na masisisi kung medyo hindi matibay talaga siya. So, I decided to get a mas heavy duty na sewing machine. Kasi yun, ang gaan-gaan lang nun, and ang liit. Tapos, 300 pesos. So, yun. Nanood ako ng mga videos kung paano ba ayusin, yung mga tension niya and everything. Tinry ko rin buksan yung sewing machine, and wala. Wala na talaga. Hindi na talaga siya nagawa. And pinagawa ko pa siya sa tito ko, sa daddy ni Izel, kasi magaling siyang maggawa. Pero wala rin. Hindi na talaga kayang ayusin. So, ayun, nanghihinayang ako dun sa pera ko, kahit 300 yun, sis. Pero yun kasi, ang daming good reviews, tapos hindi ko lang sure kung bakit parang kasalanan ko. Kaya na to, guys. Ilang araw ko na tinatry, and it's working. So, ito, ililink ko na lang down in the description kung saan ko siya nakuha. And yes, sa Shopee ko siya nakuha. Ang dami ko nang dinadaldal. Hindi pa tayo nagsisimula, sis. Nag-haul muna si ate mo, girl. And then, ito, bumili rin ako ng sewing kit. Kasi parang wala akong matinong sewing kit eh. So, ayan siya. Ang dami niyang laman. Kompletong-kompleto. Perfect for traveling. May mga needle, may scissors, and may mga pins. And may measuring tape. Ang dami niyang thread, diba? So, nakaka-amaze. For 300 pesos, you get this one. I don't think super high quality lang yung thread niya. Parang for me, manipis siya. And then, pero okay na rin naman for traveling. Got a fabric scissors. Ililink ko to lahat sa description, and bumili na ako ng fabric glue. Ayan. So, kompletong-kompleto tayo. And, meron din akong hem tape ba yung tawag dito? Basta tape, pang hem na tape. Ayun. Ililink ko rin to down in the description. Iba-iba yung sizes niya. Mag-search na kayo sa YouTube on how you use this. Pero alam ko, ina-iron siya, or pwede rin gamitan ng flat iron. And then last but not the least for this thrift flip haul, bago tayo mag-proceed dun sa thrift flip, bumili rin ako netong fabric chalk. Ayan, pang line ng mga cute ng colors, diba? Parang pastels. Kompleto tayo sis, so wala na akong rason para magreklamo or para mahirapan kasi kompleto yung mga gamit ko dito. Talagang kinompleto ko siya guys, and maglilink ako down in the description if ever you need one. So alam niyo yun, hindi kayo magreklamo sa akin. Wala akong sewing machine, don't worry, meron tayong, you can use hem tape, you can use fabric glue. So, we're back, and ito yung mga nakuha kong clothes na parang hindi ko na talaga nagagamit. So, na-realize ko na better din mag-thrift flip ako kasi para na-upcycle ko yung mga clothes ko and na-turn ko sila into something new and masusuot ko sila. So, ayan, ganito sila kadami. Pero hindi ganito kadami yung i-upcycle natin for this video. Siguro hahatiin ko tong thrift flip na to, tong mga videos na to. So, for now, I decided to thrift flip this polo. Isa-isa lang muna tayo sis kasi first time ko talaga na as in isang coordinates yung gagawin natin and hindi ko alam kung magiging maayos ba. So, ito muna yung i-upcycle natin. Itong polo na red. Matagal ko na to, nabili ko pa to sa Thailand and isang beses ko lang siya nasuot nung 15th birthday ko. So, I decided to make it a coordinates. Yung parang mga Brandy Melville na nauuso. So, I'll turn this into a skirt. Tapos may top siya. So, hey guys, we will be starting with the top. So, we will be dividing the fabric into two parts. One for the skirt and obviously for the top. So, I just lined it with a fabric chalk and please don't follow me. Use a masking tape or a ruler to line the lines properly and hindi kayo matulad sa akin na medyo hindi pantay yung pagkagawa ko because I wasn't using a ruler. And don't forget to seam allowance guys. And then I started sewing. I started with the sleeves down to the top. And just a tip guys, don't forget to lock your stitches at the beginning and at the end. And now we're almost done with the top. As you can see, I've already hemmed the sleeves. And yes, hindi pantay yung pagkatahi ko. And that's a mistake. And I'm still learning and practicing. So, please bear with me. And also, don't forget to hem the bottom part of the top to make a seamless finish. Now let's proceed with the skirt part. This is a little bit tricky, but trust me, this is really simple and easy to do. So get your preferred skirt and then forget to seam allowance and then just cut following the pattern of the skirt. And then for the front part of the skirt, I was supposed to divide it into 3 parts to get that Brandy Melville inspired coordinate skirt that has 2 slits at the front. But then I was a little skeptical about it because I think the skirt just fits me right. So when I divide it into 3 parts, I think it will be a little bit too tight on me. And I'm scared because this fabric is not stretchy. And so I decided to just put a 1 slit. And also I decided to put a waistband so that my waist will be more cinched in. We're almost done, and I forgot to video the part where I put a zipper at the back part of the skirt so that it will be easier for me to wear it. So yeah, that is it guys for this video. And ayun, suot-suot ko na top na to. Medyo marami siyang imperfections as you can see. Hindi pa ako ganun kapantay-pantay na magtahe. But hopefully sa mga susunod kong thrift flip video, medyo mas maayos na yung pagtatahi ko. And mas marami pa akong designs na ma-share sa inyo because I've been really wanting to do this. So yeah, finally, I have done one and I can't wait to hold this look kahit na nandito lang tayo sa bahay. So yun guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get you notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!